Hello, my name is Katalin Varga. I'm Associate Product Manager at Weller and I have great news what I would like to share with you. For decades, Weller has been trusted for soldering stations, filtration, precision cutters and tweezers. As components become smaller and more complex, precision is no longer just about soldering, it's about what you can see. That's why we launched PRISMA Microscope. We saw a growing requirement for precision, higher ESD awareness due to component safety, and a clear need for reliable visual inspection. Entering the microscope market was the natural step, allowing the customer to get everything they need from one trusted brand. Many entry-level microscopes provide a flat 2D image, while the Weller PRISMA Microscope gives you a true 3D stereo vision with wide field of view, ensuring users to naturally judge depth and detail even with glasses on. Sharp and natural light ensures accurate work on tiny components with 7000 Kelvin LED illumination. ESD protection is built into the microscope itself. The adjustable arm lets every operator find the most comfortable position, reducing fatigue, helping improve accuracy through the day. Weller PRISMA Microscope offers 3 lenses, the 4, the 6 and the 8 times lens. The 4x lens already included in the kit, while the 6 and the 8 are available as optional upgrades for higher detail. If there is one thing to remember about Weller PRISMA Microscope, it's this: it completes your workbench. It's an ESD-safe stereo microscope that fits naturally to the Weller ecosystem, with the same quality, with the same reliability, and with the same promise our customers already trust.